Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today this video will give you a lot of inspiration and motivation. So the story begins with a middle class Joe Biden, USA President Joe Biden journey. Has not easy. He was not the son of a feudal lord or chief. Rather, he was the son of a hard-working man and came up with his own hard work. He is a self-made person who started his life as a middle class. Biden was born on 20th November 1942 in Pennsylvania. His full name was Joseph Robert Biden Jr. His father's name was Joseph Robert Biden Sr. His father was in the oil business. But after Biden was born, his father's business suffered, due to which this business has to be closed. Biden also had two brothers and a sister, so his father started working, but he was not satisfied with the job. That's why he left Biden with his grandparents so that they can be brought up well and they get a good environment. After a while, his father will get a good job selling cars. His whole family moved to Delaware. Biden enrolled in a school here. Biden was not a good student. His heart did not seem to be falling, but he was very good at sports. He was good at popular American sports, baseball and rugby, a good reason for sports where leader lives. Biden was also keen to give a speech, but because of his stubbornness, that is, he spoke slowly because of his, they had a hard time speaking. To overcome this, he would stand in front of a mirror for hours, give speech and practice by placing stones under his tongue. Doing so will largely break the habit of hitting. In 1961, Biden completed his high school education. Biden was interested in the subject of political science and history. In 1965, he enrolled at the University of Delaware. After earning a degree in political science, he enrolled Syracuse University the study law. While studying law, he met Nelia Hunt, whom he later married. Biden had the potential to be a good leader and he knew that, so he decided to pursue a career in political science. In 1970, he was elected to the county council seat. In 1972, while serving on the main council, Biden began practicing law. Biden liked practice, experience, and made a name for himself among the people. So now he was planning to become a senator when suddenly his wife Nelia Hunt and their daughter died in a car accident. His two sons miraculously survived the accident. He suffered several injuries but survived. After the accident, Biden was broken from within. Biden decided he would give up everything and raise his children, but his friend told him that the seat needed a leader like you. Biden contested the Senate election after much deliberations and will become the sixth youngest senator in 30 years. Joe Biden, who was a senator from 1972 to 2009, met a girl named Jill long after the death of his first wife, they got married when they got to know each other well. Joe Biden, during his time at the Senate, focused on the things that made life better for people all over the United States. In 2009, when ex-President Barack Obama elected him vice president, so Biden took over the presidency of the United States. Joe Biden's dreams was to change the country by gaining powers. Today, after 78 years, he intends to do better for his country. 2020 November, Biden age will be 78 years. Biden doesn't drink alcohol. He says of alcohol, there is enough alcohol in my family. Biden has no interest in alcohol. In his early days in the Senate, Biden emphasized the need to focus on good things and said that many things can be solved by chance, choice, change. Biden has always emphasized things like pollution, global warming, climate change. He says these things should be emphasized while taking care of the country. He also emphasized on senior citizens and public health along with environmental issues. He said that establishing climate is as important as economy. Biden always said that the Muslims of America should get their right. If he became president, he will give his right to the Muslims of America. And I will put an end to all those who are bound by Islam. I will put an end to the phobia that has spread about Islam. Biden also worked on domestic violence against women when he was a senator. In 1994, he introduced the law on violence against women. The same law reduces violence against 60% of women punishes drug users in the United States. Every day when Biden was a senator, he looked like a normal person at a train station in Birmingham. Joe Biden did a lot for human rights. The American people like him for his good decisions. Some time ago, it was said that if Biden wins the election, he will be the old president of 2020. Article 370 on Kashmir, which was heavily banned, Biden called for Modi to lift the ban and restore Kashmir to its former glory. Thank you, Biden.